sa totoo lang, parang feeling ko na nasa classroom kami, na pinagalitan kami ng principal, no, stop talking. Di ba? Pag gano'n naman ang
Yes.
situation, sasabihin mo naman, sorry, madam teacher or principal. So,
Yes.
but actually, halatang halata kami kasi nasa front row kami, no? At you will recall there were 3 rows of prosecutors there. And I think the reaction was almost intuitive, no? Na ang problema, hindi kami maka-object sa, if it were the defense that made the manifestations yesterday, we could have properly objected, no? But hindi kasi pwedeng mag-object sa senator judges pag nagtatanong. So, ganun ang nangyari. Especially for lawyers like me, no, mga litigation lawyers. Di ba nakikita niyo sa drama, objection, Your Honor, tatayo ka ba, you'll pound on your table, no?
Yes.
So parang years of litigation practice na lang ang naging intuitive reaction. And that is why maybe Senator Robin felt it as a disrespect, so I apologize. Always respect institutions, and I respect his position as Senator Judge.
Opo. Pero attorney, akala namin tapos na. Pero kasi nag-post din si Senator Robin kagabi explaining
Lengthy explanation.
Oo, na ang point daw niya, justice is neutral. So actually pinanindigan po niya yung kanyang posisyon na prosecution hindi dapat maging one-sided.
Well, kagaya rin ng sinabi ko na nag-manifestation ako, the first time I stood up in front of the senator judges is one of the things I've learned as a litigation lawyer for 48 years is know when to stop.
So you'll
Diba?
stop.
So stop. Stop na. I mean, when you further explain, ganun rin sa cross-examination. Nakita naman natin na that's why happy kami as a prosecutor because when you cross-examine a witness, you, especially a witness who is intelligent, competent, and telling the truth, binibigyan mo ng additional airtime, space, ang witness to explain further, no? So sometimes no cross-examination is the best